In this video, I want to take you through the key steps on how to find a case by citation in Westlaw Australia. The example that I'll be using is the citation of 149 CLR 337. If you're in Australia, you may know that CLR stands for Commonwealth Law Report. So let's jump in to the home page of Westlaw Australia. And from the home page, the first step is to click on All Cases. And in the search field up the top, the second step is simply to enter in your citation. Now, notice as I enter in my citation, I'm not using any round or square brackets, okay? So that's not required. And notice I'm just using lowercase, so you don't need to use uppercase as well in your searches. You'll also notice as you enter in your citation that the search results may start to display if there's some matching search results for you. And straight away I can see down here, here's my citation 149 CLR 337. There's other parallel citations as well, but that's definitely the one that I want. So I'm going to click on the case link, and the case citation for this one is not the actual one that we wanted, because notice the case citation here is a High Court citation. So we actually want the CLR version. So look over here on the right side of the screen for the other versions that are available. And I can see here is the one that I'm after, 149 CLR 337. So you may find that depending on the size of your monitor and your screen resolution, this panel over here might be minimized. So you may need to click on that gray arrow to expand that panel, and now you can see the other citations. So I want to open up 149 CLR 337. Great. So now we can see the correct citation that we're looking for is displaying on the screen, 149 CLR 337. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. So I can look at the case details on the screen by scrolling up and down from this view here. Alternatively, I may need to download this as a PDF and save it into my own personal folder, because maybe I'm working on an assignment, preparing for exams, etc., and I really want to read the case in full detail and have quick access to it. So one way to do that is to simply just click on the PDF icon up here, like you normally would when you're downloading and saving a PDF document, and then you can just simply save it to your own folder. There's also the option in this envelope icon here. If you click on the drop down, you can email the case to you, or you may want to print it there and then. And there's also the option here to download that particular citation. And there's also the option under the folder icon to create your own folder in Westlaw and save the case to that folder. So that's a nice option that you may want to use as well. I have an example of that. Now, I know that previously I saved this case into a folder that I created. So let's say it's a week later and I come back and I don't want to have to go searching for it. I know I've saved the case, and so I'm just simply going to go back to the home page in Westlaw Australia, and on the right up the top you can see there's a folders link. So any folders that I've created for myself, they will display here. So at the moment I've got 2 folders that I've previously created, and the contract law folder is the one that I want, and here I can see is the case that I'm after. So there you have it. That's a quick tutorial on how to find a case by citation in Westlaw Australia.